Keyless motovlogs. All right.
Several weeks just before the bend, the biker put himself in a difficult situation.
Okay, sharp right, sharp left turn coming up. Oh, don't be passing people on these sharp lefts and sharp rights, because now you're not setting yourself up for the turn. Remember, you got to look super far ahead, adjust that speed. What's around this corner? We don't know. Are you set up? Ooh, got a little tippity-tappa-tipperoos. And that pushes us off the edge. There's a ditch. Thankfully, it's slow speed. Okay, slow speed, but what the heck was that? One only, what was that? Josh just joined at the academy. Woo! Gage Reno. Gonna turn left. We got that car or that truck right there. Accelerate a little bit to escape. Accelerate to escape. Oh, impact. There's the impact. Slow-mo, but it's slow. He said he did not see him. Now, what's the thing? Inattentional blindness. Inattentional blindness, nighttime, motion-induced, whatever the freaking excuse is, but we need to get out of there. Find that escape path. So we saw that coming. Accelerate just a little bit more. Just accelerate. Audio.
Yes, man.
There we go.
You're good.
Here we go. So, we've got a corner coming up, so we usually have a failure to navigate these corners. Whoa! I think he slammed that brake for some reason. Was there something in the road that he was worried about? Nice little render problem right there. What the heck happened? We might be looking at this one after we watch this all the way through. Oh, we got a bicyclist keeping up with them. Here we go. We're going around here, so we got a right-handed turn. It's in a group ride. Make sure we're all staggered. Not staggered, but at least we're good space cushions, because we're about to make this turn. Whoa, we went left to go right. Okay, this isn't Cars. We don't do that. Cars the movie, not Cars itself. But anyways, low-sided. Put himself in a bad spot. Low-sided. Josh Winston MK Ultra just joined the academy.
This rider wanted to take the bend.
I'm really loud.
The rear tire skid led him to completely lose control of the bike.
Okay, so watch out. Whoa, we're going a little bit too straight. And we just fell off into the grass. This is probably the best situation he could have been in if it came to actually crashing. That's a good position for the rescue pack. I think I might make a tank bag rescue pack. That might be something. Kieran, here we go, going through here. We got a wet turn. It's a roundabout. We were gonna lose a little traction. It was a slow high side, but we lost that rear traction. Not too much damage, bent bars and hand guards and a sore elbow and ankle, but it's sore, not broken. He had gear on. Helped protect the elbow, the ankle. Man, I don't know if he's got gear for that, but probably some torsion on that. Mr. Kanata, here we go. Dodged it. Good job. Good job. Handled it. Neeps. Okay, look at the road. Road surface hazards. Maybe slow it down just a little bit, especially coming up to this intersection. You want to slow down sooner rather than later, because once you get towards the end like that, you're like, I'm not stopping, and then you slam the brakes. It's no buenos. Minor scratches, left hand side mirror, gear shift, foot rest. I was 100% fine. Thanks to my gear. We do have some gear here at Revzilla. You want to check it out. It's good beginner gear, low cost, and the link helps the channel if you ever buy anything from there.
Which the biker dismisses the possibility of safe cornering, overtaking just.
Ooh, you see the crest of the hill? Couldn't see over, and then it turned left. He couldn't see, but he was able to make an adjustment to it. But remember, don't ride super fast around corners you can't see around. Don't do that. They could have hit a car. Could have easily hit a car. Definite orange stage. Sea bass. Here we go. Ooh! Rescue the rider. Driver terrified after I confront him about tailgating me. Don't do this. Just don't do this. It's not worth your time.